Hush, move. No, it's not. It is.
Oh. I'm just going to be laughing. Hi guys. What's up? I love you guys. Shit, I see you. Yeah, this is the fire, baby. The girl, them Winnie Nwagi. Straight out of Swangs Avenue from Uganda. The #1 fire dancer. I'm waiting for you guys more. They were them call. How do I look? I'm the shy one, and then I'm the one going live. Let me try today. Thank you. I'm so beautiful. Thank you. Shirat, yes, I'm live. Okay, guys. Should I start? Linda, I see you. Thank you, baby. Yeah, of course, Akalega Twaka is Soniwa. Tulibanji Twawela, by the way, it's not only me. Yeah. Don't talk of being shy. You guys, I'm shy. My friends know. My friends know. Come on, guys. Come and join me. Call your friends to come and join me. Hello, Binjagala Togereko Kono. Yeah. I'm coming to learn double dance. How? Oh my God. I said, Zimpitako Msindi. Oh my God. I appreciate the love, guys. I appreciate you. That's how I love you guys. Akapia we kalika malaika. Yeah. Maluwa badabu zori na akapia malaika. I have Malaika. I have Jolie. Yeah. What's up? What's up? Chechidie, yo chechidie, yonze njaga babulire chidie, no. Yagala babulire. Msana munje, no. It's hot like fire, baby. Ange gunjo cheda mom sana. Come visit us in Moscow, darling Winnie. Someday I will. Atonda ikaya bikola. Mukwana gono gunkobanga mwenge. Okutula n'ennyingo gutomeza n'ebisenge. I'm too addicted to him, malinga sente. Take on expiry date. Bulika said, njagala bewenti. Nawa kuchi malaika. Malaika banange mbalaba mdago mkwano. Woo! Guno mukwano gunjo changa hoti kawa. Oswiti mai dokita. Zikakana nganawe mbage baifa. Oh my God. Yes, I'm shy. I tell you, better shy nebigambo binzo okumbula. I've never gone live here. This is my first time. So we nkola mukumalo temuchisusa nnyo like temuchindaga mundekere. Osumulude ya natiro osumulula. Beauty, is that you? Yeah, baby. Stand up, small Nwagi, and shake mo. Mlinde mko. Hot like a hito. Nwagi Shanbei faith. Kutumidenyo mkwano webali kunjagala. Happy to see you, my diva. You're nice looking. You're amazing as always, my love. You're a love big star. Oh, I am. Thank you. Sorority City misses you. Fire. We'll be back from London. I'm not yet back, but I'll be back soon. Please shake call. Let's see the outfit. Nag. Kugaj first young mchikoye. I'm so happy to see you here, my fire baby. Yeah, I'm here, baby. Come get me. Where are you? Can I join you? I'm somewhere in London. I'm ready to sleep forever and ever. Jesus Christ. Big puppy. Big puppy. We forget. Okay, guys. Let's see my battery. Can't submit change Jacob. I'm here to set some facts right. Manyi babalimba nnyo mbeereyo nga babalimba no yakoze bwati mubira babambi ku TV, and I don't blame you for believing some of the rumors. I can't point. First of all, I would like to thank you, my London people that came to the show. Thank you so much, because I know you came out for me. For me. You came out for Fake, for Maker. You came out for us, guys. Thank you so much. We really appreciate your time, the effort, and everything that shows that you love us. Thank you so much. Thank you. And antandikirewa. That's okay. Sekubanga chance seko. So, antandikentya. Sheyo yategekedda no Uganda. Ndi Muganda naye no Uganda lumusumbu asona mu mujja kulya mukoko mbogo. Sheyo yategekebwa omukyala gw'owulira gwe bayita Mama Africa. Mukyala oyo yatuwa gig era nasiima nnyo nti bannange, omuntu omusiima nga akuwadde akalimu. I'm used to working with some promoters, but this one was new to me. Sikolangako naye. Wegawadde gusoose okukola naye. Omuntu ono nga omanyi nze sibiyingiramu, manager yabikwasaganya. I always, mind my business. My job is to come up on the stage and perform and do my job. That's my job. I don't do bookings. It's my manager that does that. So they were talking paka nebakiriziganya show chibichi tugenze ku embassy batuwe for the visas. passport zalwayo nnyo nga kyewunyisa nti olunaku olwasure agenda okutuuka like bakaŋŋambe ng'okwosa enkya nga ekyo nga tetunnava Kampala. So we really traveled late and last minute. We didn't have time to rest. We weren't ready because we hadn't gotten our passports back yet. So oba tonafuna passport yo tomanyi oba visa bagikuwadde. So you're like, maybe I'm still here. Era nga ffe booking and shows is that naye nga tubaga just in case we're there. Yeah. Tujja kubeerawo. Then hold on. Okay. Then we got traveling at last minute. You're ready. Like, according to the way I met Fik at the airport, he wasn't ready. I wasn't ready. But onga omanyi haso ya fe Uganda. Toina chakolo kugenda saways webanga bagambi babooking the ticket. You have to, just run. Pasanga traffic. I almost missed the flight because I wasn't ready. I didn't know I was traveling that day. Manyi okay la kumachani bagamba makati go lunaku to fly to your sawa where's TSH. I wasn't ready. So I had my outfit, my performance outfit ready. I still had hope in it. I hoped, my friends would help me with it. But unfortunately, like maybe there wasn't enough time left. But maybe I would have gone to a tailor to fix it. Everything was late. Flight yali delayed to Mazeko airport some hours. And then to Inaka transit or Rwanda, Chigali, whatever. Yeah, then to Kolachi. Netweyongera paka London. Tutuse. Now then no sagala kwogera bino bintu naye. Manyi, you first have to try me. So this woman tried me. And now I'm here to set facts, right? Size wano kumuvuma kubanga bwentyo siwe nakuziwa. I'm here to set facts kubanga yabigambye bili out like, my fans are hearing, false things about me. Tutuse ku airport. Era banayo omuyimbi omuna Uganda alabi. Kubanga tumanyirwa nnyo. Wano tubeera wano Uganda. Nolabambu Wizkid yazze, Davido yazze, motoka zisimbye, like there's enough security, like they're taking care of an artist. Chitegera. Nefe, okay, other promoters benkoze nabo, but this one was different. This woman came to our airport to pick us. We took so long to get our luggages. And after getting our luggages, we went out. Ajana tusanyukiranga omanyi abantu besesa kungulu naye nga temmanyi mitima gyabwe wegiri kitegeera. So at that moment, you're just seeing someone welcoming you, so you think this person is so nice, but oba tonnalaba side eri endala. So tutuuka ku airport, tufulumya airport, tugenze mu parking. Akasana kaaka kangi. Nkoye wedda ntudde mu economy. Because fe tu traveling mu economy. Tewali kyakola ani agenda okuwa gundi. Business class. Wayagala sente. Kibale nti olinnyewo basi. Nojja n'okikuba n'oddayo ewammwe ne weeyagalira ewammwe. So jidde mu economy akasit ke bampadde. It was so uncomfortable. Tutuuse ku airport. Tuyimiriza banayi tuli mu parking like omanyi nga abantu abali stranded. Chick teyaleese emmotoka yakugyawo ba artists ku airport. Omanyi abantu okola otya show. Ng'okimanyi togisobola. Because when you're planning to bring an artist, you have to plan. Olina okimanya mbu artist olina okuba n'emmotoka emujja ku airport. Because wano si wembeera. So you have to improvise. Kitegeera tebinkwatako oba tosobodde. You get? Netulaawo nnyo. Nembeerawo nga snappinga, oba olina okuba cool kubanga munange tomanyi omuntu biba bimulemye kubanga bimukaluubiriddemukko so wewa twali down to earth nti tewali ya complaining anti banaife mwanguwe obanse kangendewa anti wange you get tewali yekyanga buli kimu kye yatuyisaamu twakigumira sorry buli kimu kye yatuyisaamu twakigumira akasana ne katwokya n'amaana afuna uba ye yatujjawo manyi omuntu nga tosobola namubuuza wawa akutwala nga akutwala speed anyway saagala kubeera na story mpanvu nnyo I really want to cut it short because I would love to go back and have some good time over there. My friends are chilling. Kati natwala paka ku hotel nayo annange mutubalanga muko ku magezi nga you know bw'obanga tosobola artist bambi tomuleeta kubanga buli omu alina embeera ze okitegeera so atulese ku hotel si yali yakabe nnyo ekiri awo kale basizze kusula mu byakabi but why not? Don't I deserve it? If you think I don't deserve it, then you bring Davido, Whiskey, bambi abemanya nti balamu n'abambuulira yeah you bring Davido, Whiskey, you know nga bosobola okuteeka muki ewantu ew'okusula ewalungi oba tosobola ng'obireka so we are still, you know, we are still calm. My manager is calm. No one is complaining because some other artists like abayimbi abalala boto banyumiza ayagala kusula mu hotel nungi ayagala you know buli omu alina byayagala kitegeera but means asibye nkulembeza so ntunulira obwongo bw'omuntu ne musoma nendaba kyagenda okola and you know exactly what I expected kyeyakola n'amala gatusula mu some weird hotel atugulirawo mere mama omuntu okubakolera ebintu naye ng'alinga abayamba let me tell you something my fellow artists when you hear a name Mama Africa nga yakupangisiza okujja okuyimba London wano mukwano sooka mukole contract nze sibagana kola naye kitegeera musoke mukole contract naye kubanga ye nga ye omuntu I won't disrespect her. Ye nga ye omuntu alina endowooza ye yamanyi artist omuleeta buleesi ng'ekisiimuula n'omukozesa n'omusuula awo you get anyway nkomye watadde mu hotel saawa etuuse like she wasn't even communicating kubanga the hotel gye yateekako tekwaliko wifi now you have to pay for the wifi when you get to the room kitegeera so abamu tebali online nze yampa ku gundi yanteera mu kaadi ye n'asasula wali ne I was able to get the wifi abalala tebaliko gundi online so fik we yatuuka yakuba tulo kitegeera ng'akooye buli omu we yagwa ku buli it's just me who was awake you can imagine buli omu yali ayagala kuwummula buwummuzi and you know since there was no communication I don't have her number so Yarita nga sinakiwulirako mbuba you're supposed to be at the venue at this time, you know, I didn't know about that. All I was doing was getting ready. I was getting ready in my room and then my outfit got messed up. I had to, you know, find a way to figure it out. Nenfuna ka outfit akakenjiyiriza nga nako nina, you know, nga omanyi boyiya outfits jabaga kuba mujja kunsekerera. Yeah, netuyiya outfit paka we twagigattagatta and you know we managed to go to the venue. Ate nno ne okugenda ku venue nga teyataddewo omukyalo oyo nga teyataddewo ki motoka etutwala nga abula kutugamba mukwate Uber kitegeera there's some DJ friend of hers that she brought to me and the guy was Nigerian. He was like, I'm a huge fan, I like your music, and you know he had a good vibe and we were chilling with him, so he had the car. So I then clicking aninga akachono yalesono wachi yalesono nga mukwano gwe kubanga alina emmotoka so that amugamba twale ku venue alisikinaako buzibu. We went to the venue again tugenda amukubira simu, where you guys, you're late, avuma abantu ku simu. And yes, I'm not going to say I wasn't late. I was late because I wasn't ready. Okitegeera buli kimu nali nkipanga bupanzi, you get. nali nchipanga kupa omukyalo oyo yakola ne mistake. In the beginning yasoka nasaza mu show natimba mbuya show is cancelled. Kitegeera ate no maana ogamba mu show gyeri. Kitegeera so ekituufu kiri nti show ya floppinga. It flopped. It's not the usual crowd that I usually perform for here in London. Kitegeera sikirabangako. But with all my energy, I managed to kill it on that stage. I did my job. I reached late and I delivered. Kitegeera I delivered. Naleka ye changa na fake backstage. I na sente zate, tagala mwa balance. I don't know, like, nalisagala byeyingiza mnyo nenga mpulira balance. You get? So maybe it was the money. Then I na guy I think where ya take sent. Naja na tugamba, Ama, you go on stage. Don't worry about fake. He can actually live. Even if he doesn't perform. Like, we don't need him. They was so arrogant. How dare you tell me? Like, I'm a fellow artist. Fik is my friend. Like, I wouldn't want to see Fik, Nganayari frustrated because you just refused to pay his balance. Ochitegera. Ngabamuvuluze. Ochitegera. Because he didn't come with his management or, okay, just one person. Like me, I came with my manager. Katinze singa nange manager teyaliwo, no gamba, just, let me just sit back because I won't be exchanging words with this person. That's why you're not supposed to deal with this client. Like, me, I don't deal with clients because I can lose it on you. Now, such a client, bambi, simani. Chanyamba, manager wange yaliwo. Fik, bamuyisa bubi nnyo backstage, nga bamuyisaamu amaaso gonna, nga balinga abagamba nze wenyimba Fik ne bwatayimba omuntu wamuleese okuva e Uganda. We have so many gigs back home. Kitegeera gye tulekayo. Kitegeera waliyo ab'emikolo, tulinayo gigs nyingi, waliyo shows nyingi. Kitegeera okuzireka zonna n'ozerekereza n'ogaaka ngende e London. Omuntu okuva ewaka najja. Kitegeera it means a lot. Like, omuntu aba respecting omulimu gwe ate nawe aba akuwadde respect. Kitegeera because the chick first cancelled the show. Kwaliko we had to be with Gravity Omutuju and Haruna. Bali balina okubaako ku show, but because she once posted that it was cancelled, never booking a shows endala because waliwo yidi waliwo nakwenkula, never booking other shows. So that's why they didn't make it here. Kitegeera nga buli omu akolerera baana be, buli omu alina ebizibu bye. Tetuliwo mbu kusaasira promoter mba tetumanyi, buli omu alina ebizibu bye bannange. So me, I felt like it wasn't fair for Fik because I'm very sure they had an agreement. Ero omukazi yamukubira nga tuli mu motoka tugenda. Namga Fik jangu tofaayo. I had her over the phone. Fik jangu nkuwe balance wototya. Ngenda kuwa balance wo jangu. Tutuuka wali kugundi ku venue chiki yefuula. Anyway, I'll be bantu baffe. So what I'm trying to tell you, chiki ono yagenze nasasula some obviously stupid blogger. Ye blogger asingayo obusiru, nze nkibagambi. Blogger asingayo obusiru atategeera ate nga muntu mukulu w'omusanga. Nenkanyanya zinaatera okujja. Now I don't know because it's another one like bloggers, the international bloggers, like they say facts. Okay, not 100%, but I'm actually not a clue. But how dare you post something that you have no clue about just because you were paid some little money? Bannange, toyina mirimu gy'okola, tosobola kufuna mirimu n'okola. Stupid blogger. Toyina mirimu gy'osobola kola n'ofuna kasente n'ova ku baana b'abandi n'obeera ng'okola bikwatako kale bw'oba okoze bwa blogger ng'osooka n'onoonyereza n'okikolako research. Okitegeera tomala gwogera. Anyway, sijja mwogera kubanga nti n'erinnya lye lyagaana okuyita mu kamwa kange. So this woman is over there saying, nze saayimba. Ne mmala ne ngenda ku show ya DJ Shady, mbu ne twenyiga, nga smart kunkumula bubina ne fake, mbu ne nnyimba n'okuyimba. Let me tell you, I'm under the most serious label. Kitegeera. Sisobola kubanga promoter ono yandeese n'ondaba wali nga saakoze agreement na bali. Kitegeera. Era ne fake bwe yayimba, I'm very sure. Naye alina ekigendererwa kye. Kitegeera. Si buli kimumba omuntu alina okuba nnyonnyola. Buli omu ayagala kukola ssente. So when the opportunity comes, naye nze, I had to go for DJ Shady's show. Obviously, why not? Kubanga nze siri mwana wo, oba wandeese London. So what? So what? Anyway, nerabidde okubanyumiza kiri. After that show, okay, they had their differences, him and like her and Fik. Simanyi oba babimaliriza batya. But me, on my side, we went back to the hotel. I was so tired. We went back to the hotel. We slept. Nine mkwano gwange. Akunkona kumachi omukyala. Zali sawa meka. 12:30. 1. 12:31. Awe wacho. Akunkona bubi nnyo. They need to check out. Their flight is at what time? 4:30. At 4:30. I was like, damn. Who does this woman think she is? Nagambo no mchala ngate yefudde ekirala like. Nentunula east, west, south, north nga sina kye nakoze mchala. Kujjako okutuuka late. Ate nga bantuuse late era mbantuuse mukama abantuusizza. Banga waliwo abatajjira ddala kati mba najjidde kiwe mbanga nazze. Nga nazze kuyimba ate ne sitajja ku show. Sikikolangako. So we had to check out the hotel because yalagira ddala. I was like, okay, I still need some rest. I went back to sleep. Kubanga ani gotwala speed. Natuuse nkoye ntuukidde ku show nnyimbi oyagala nchecking out saawa ezo nzireyo ku nnyonyi ofudde machine. Like ovulufudde lutalo. Like you can't put your frustration on me olwokubanga show ye floppings. It's not my fault. It's not my fault. Kitegeera abantu tuyiga okukula obanga oyingidde business kati ng'eya music bambi gijemu attitude zo. Kitegeera bw'obanga oli psycho bambi don't join. Don't join. Psychos, please don't book me. If you're a psycho, don't book me. This woman was a psycho. And the fact that she went ahead and, dropped that whole false story about me, she's really a psycho. Bannange. Mukyala bannange mulalu. Bayimbi bannange bakubira omulanga. I'm calling upon all my fellow artists. Please, if you hear Mama Africa, mukyala abeera n'omusajja omu Nigeria oba amukuula oba bbaawe tetumanyi naye ng'omusajja oba yagamba basi mukazi we yali awo nga yeegaanagaana ng'amwegaana naye yagala bbaawe. But that guy, whoever he is to her, he's Nigerian. Bw'owulira Mama Africa yawo omukyala enviiri ziba zimuyimiridde ng'empewo zeefuuye. Bambi, be careful. Make a contract with her because she's a psycho. Handle the psycho very well. How can you tell people mbunze sai? Minze nakano aji Winnie. Manye naku yange. Kati nganze nzijelanda nesiyimba. Newe baba batano mbayimbira. Newe baba 10 mbayimbira. Nenzina nene kutula. Nemmala nengenda. Chiri nti bansasudde ssente zange. Wanga nze siva Uganda nga balance tomumazeeyo. Kitegeera. Siva Uganda nga balance tomumazeeyo. So why wouldn't I perform? But I had to kill it. Era I killed it. Abajja ku show boba nyumirwa. Just promoter is psycho man. Just nze nsasira abantu abaddako kukola ki kwaliwo muyimbi munnange yamponinga yajjako wano omukyalo oyo yamubuukinga naye yagamba tali kiddira kati sinza asoose sijja mwogera linnya kuba ye yemanyira waali agenda kuseka nkimanya abwatuse n'aseka kitegeera omukyalo oyo si mwangu badde nsaba mukitegeere mumukolere nga mutaddemuko ku magezi kubanga yenga ye tali experienced abiteeka mu feeling olumu abeera oba anywedde man annange bapromota mukule bwoba tobisobola bambi ng'ogenda otunda ebirala you get mujoga kikyendeseeyo saagala kwerabirayo kirala agamba abantu mbu I'm here stranded in London. Do I look stranded? Nze nakanwagi ngamala okuyimba ennyimba zange nga mbeera stranded nga nze nakanwagi mbeera stranded nze fire baby akiri mbeera n'emikwano gyange gyenjagala gye nnyinza ogenda nsobola ogenda mu beŋŋanda sobola ogenda mu mikwano gyange sobola I don't even have to spend on a hotel. I have people that love me. People really love me, Mama Africa. Stop deceiving my lovers. You need to see what? That word is hard. Now I call up a psycho. Akola kuba psycho inogenda n'omulabako banga you can't have a problem with like abantu ne bawera babiri ngera be baliko obuzibu gwe abaako ekikyamu mukyala oliko ekikyamu but my fans know me sisobola kugaana kuyimba nga nasasuddwa the only way I wronged you was come late. Came late because I wasn't ready. Oh my God. Buli kimu atututte speed okuva ku airport e Uganda paka wano. Ate nga toyina mpisa. Sebo nange bagamba sina mpisa naye sebo nina engeri gen respectingamu abantu. I respected you when I first met you. Oh my God. I was smiling all the way to your nonsense. I thought you were a good person. But oh my God, you're not. People should be careful with you, Mama Africa. You tried the wrong person because you can't change my fans. Tosobola kubakyusa bamanyi bulungi what I'm capable of doing. Bamanyi bulungi bafaani bange ate gwe toyina bafaani. Just kiri awo kinyannye oba wakikuŋŋaanya otya. I don't know, but people love me. And I worked for this. Kintu kyogezaako kwonona nga nkikoleredde ebbanga. I didn't come from heaven nengwa bwenti. No, nkikoleredde ebbanga. You get. And you get. I love you, sister. So ankuleke blessed. Ankuleke blessed. Kuba nakulabako ebintu bingi. Naye kankuleke abalala banaabyerabira. Abali ku Shadi's show baliwo bulungi. Yes, I was there having fun as usual. Having fun. How can I not have fun? We were there. The show was nice. I did not perform, but I had a good time. Fit for Makeup performed and we all enjoyed the show. Mama Africa, we are not sorry for going for that show. I did not perform. You can only sue me if I performed at that show. But I did not. So you're talking about suing. Anange. Ono osobola okola ne ba artist gwe. nga buli artist avaawo munyiivu buli artist gwokozesa avaawo munyiivu akulinako complaints nyingi. Oh my God, it's so dangerous. Waliwo ne promote yantwalako eyo atono ye akuba oba erinnya saalikwata oba banyiiza odijjukira kati, but era yali Europe tour. Yeah, I was coming from London, and then I went to. No, I first went to Turkey, then I went to London, then Sweden. No, Germany. That lady was so nice. Mabel was so nice to me. Jose Mosh banaize simanyi na kumanya kyendi badizaawo ba promoter abalala abasinga bakwata manya abampadde emirimu nakafuna mba promoter aba babiri bali bambi nga bazibu nga bakuyisa bubi, they treat you like trash. No tulao no gaba nange. Is it because yaninyisize nyonyi? Let me tell you guys, enyonyi ekoya, it's not even fun. Enyonyi ekoya nze ntuukanga nkoye ntuuka ekiseera nga mpulira singa mbadde nsobola okuvaamu ningaba nights kanviiremu wano, because enyonyi it's not fun. Muntu yenna okunteeka ku nyonyi nzije mba nzize kola. Mba sirina maalo ga nnyonyi, nagirinnya dda. Ne check-in zonna zikooya. It's not fun. So omuntu okulowooza mbu okuba yakuleese oba yakulinyisiza ennyonyi nati n'akumanyiira. So yeah, that was the last one after Germany. That was Sweden. That lady Sam kwatalinya nendoza ababeereyo mumumanyi. Kachanti nasazeewo kwogera ku ebyo kati naye kamwogereko. Naye awonye nga simumanyi linnya. Sirijjukira. That lady treated me so bad. Oh my God. Took up airport ansanyukira bulungi. Bana ulira bulungi bana abantu bakwelcominze bulungi. Then there is a car bambi yalina emmotoka. Batuvuze paka ku nyumba ye gy'abeera. Ayambuse. Tazeemu kulabika. Ayambuse. Tazeemu kulabika. Kati driver ye yakomawo n'ekintu nga kiri mu foil paper. Tengamba ki ekyo? Tengawayi kabantu ali hotel mpumulemu. When I reached the hotel, bana gwali buchomo nga buli ku gondi bwali buti bubiri. Nga nteredde muki emichomo. Emichomo ebiri. There was nothing like dinner, banage. Had to take off for dinner, had some nice food. Now let me go back to the hotel and prepare myself, freshen up. Mkono, mshala yampa emichomo. Ndiye kwega nkole because when now I'm going to perform. Shitegera. Joba jintuge. The next thing I heard was, "Are you ready? Calm down." Nenyambala nengenda. Tuka ku location nayo yali nfu. Banange muyige n'okutegeka ku shows banayizi abike bulungi. Ka stage kali kabi, everything kiri disorganized ngolabira ddala nti oyo omuntu yakayingira mweno business talina beyebuuziza. Kumwebuuze ku bantu ababisookamu. Okitegeera. Just like us artists, tukola collabos. Okitegeera. So webuuza ku bantu ababisookamu. You don't just do things for. Natuukayo banange nga ka stage kabi. Nga sinaddamu kulaba kwoyo chiki yantwala. Nga sinaddamu mulaba. Then I went on stage, I did my best, I performed, but the energy was so down. I swear upon the living God, my energy was so down because I was so disappointed. Like everything was just disappointing. The only good thing is that I had friends there. My friends took me for lunch. They took me everywhere I wanted. And I did not see that lady again. Then kwegachengezako bagamba mugezeko if you're not friendly enough bambi tokozesa aba artists kubanga bannange tuli delicate. Simanyi oba waliwo abatali, but me I'm delicate. You have to be so nice to me. Like abalala babatwala mugundi ne bamwa massage because you know they want you to to have all the energy. Shtegera neno mpisa boto like trash mpado ebinyama bansudeyo ku hotel. Are you ready? We go ntufudeyo kugundi ne salide. You can't even think of the fact that I haven't eaten ompade emichomo ngende nyimbe, and then after the show you still can't take me out to get something to eat. Bambi mumanyira mwina akamanyiro naye nga bambi mukyosemu mukyasobola okukyusa kati nga gwe ndisogedde linnyali osobola okukyusa ebyo bye mwematira oba olaba weematira then genda osaba omulimu mu office otuula omuokoleeyo onyige laptop nga boogira booti okitegeera boba you can't be friendly bannange muve ku bya music industry toleeta artist because we need to be treated nice. We deserve it. We are already going through a lot in Uganda. Okitegeera kyobanga abamu babivaako n'agenda n'akuba ekyeyo kubanga kamanyiro everywhere. Okitegeera learn to respect us bambi kyokka kye musobola otuwa just respect. Nga bwe mwasaamirira nga mulabe bali abali international naffe tuli bayimbi naffe tuvaamu amaloboozi ag'enjawulo. Just in the country of Echari now eri star. That's why we're not up there, but we are still talented. That's why you need us to come and perform for our fans. That's why you oh my god, I don't know. I think I've explained enough. Hey, akalega sirina temuwulira. Ani mkubyemu empya. By the way, I respect people. Paka won't disrespecting ekisembayo. But I'm a good person. Webakube ebimumbira baku TV. Of course bakwate obugundi moment so ngonyize. I can't control your temper. But I'm a nice person. The people that know me know. And maybe also you someday you'll know. Maybe you'll never know. Nega bambi, thank you for loving me, you guys. Yeah, and those of you, baby, Mama Africa. Yeah, that's what happened. But I'm not stranded. I'm very okay. I'm having a good time. Actually feel bad that I'm about to leave, but I have to leave. I have work. Oh. So, Mama Africa, wait it is mkwano. Toja bisobola. Onatandika entalo n'abayimbi. Nze kati naddala nze nakanwagi waabwe yakuyimbidde ne mala n'envaayo n'osinika n'ebinnyo n'onneebaza. Ate kati nze gwogenze like maybe oyagala ku erinnya lyo litutumuke kati nditutumuzza. Leero ndyogeddeko naye nga Katonda wakutadde wagenda okuteeka. Ekitegeera. Boddamu okukola nabo bawe ekitiibwa. Bantunga gwe baana ba bantunga gwe. You get, don't treat people like shit. Oyina omutima omubi naye ojja osinika ebinnyo. Bannange. That's unfair. If you're a bad person gonga wulira you can't control it. You put someone who can, stand in for you. So ofunayo muganda omukakamu n'abeera nga yabihandolinga nga yasemberera ba artists kitegeera gwe n'otuula eri. So that empisa z'embito zitukuba, you get? Yeah. So, byebyo. Abantu batambuza nnyo engambo. Mannange. Do I even look stranded? Anyway. Byebyo no baby. Byebyo ya Mama Africa. Otherwise, chechiriwo. Yimirira tulabe ku food banaye temunnalya. Yeah, all in all, don't go without singing. They could sing banjo. Oh, no, Ranta kid. Oh, Santi, no matter chikola my daddy, akasera konaze ndi kun. Nang, lera vide. Ritah Kaggwa bya posting. I'm following him siru. Ooh, hi Winnie, what's your favorite song by Dexter? Nga nyingi. Tetukuse, badamulia. Can't wait to see you in Boston. Oh my God, I can't wait to. I love you, Winnie. I love you too. Ryan, yes, I'm shy. When are you getting married? Soon. Sabula. Positive vibes always, baby. Always. Mbuze yoko kubibuzo. I still have some time. If giving level as a person. Love your voice. Much love, beautiful. Or to Kubamudi concert. Mbaliko mwembe ndiko aba concert. Chigenda kutokota. I love your music. I love your Winnie. Kwagala nebitali bibyo baby. Baby girl. Enjala nga mpanvu nyo sweet. Toina chachikolera. We miss you here in Uganda. I'm coming back, my babies. I appreciate the love, guys. I see it coming. I see it. Any collab with Lydia Jasmine, but not Jasmine. Chikoleko. Mukwano gwaliko bogambi. When you let your concert be next year in December. When are you coming back? Soon, baby. Winnie, I like Jolly. Kindly, could you sing it? Jolly, obo bangon suba manya chalye no. Jiwande ke no. Don't see it no. Jolly no. Jolly, obo bangon suba manya chalye no. Jiwande ke no. Listen, bimbuza, ebintubyo bimbuza, bimpenja, ebirozo byo bindwaza. The way I love you, boy, I don't know if I'll ever find another boy. You're joking da, kusubiza tolifuna another girl like me, yeah. Can't come out one night. Nobody can style Winnie. She the baddest. Too authentic, honestly. Tell them, baby. Thanks for speaking out the truth, please, always. The sirimba sinabdewa kulimba kubanga tiwali atsobola kunkuba migo. Your voice gives me goosebumps. Oh, really? Do you expect an album anytime soon? Soon, baby. Yeah, it's coming. You sound nice, really. Ngemizindalo. Nawakuchi malaika kuna mkwano kunja changa hotikawa. Let me see. What should be done to improve Ugandan music? I missed that. Just to kolenyo tweyongera okwekiriza. No giving up to kuzikiza. Come to Frankfurt, Germany, darling, anytime, as long as Mabel says so. Bali balogo. Date your concert date zigwayo. Anya guys zigwayo. Twajikwata da. Date is safe. Just simbulayo kubagamba. I'll be announcing very soon. very soon. My baby nyembira mkamsawo. Electric guitar melody, mama twomde insanity. Woba wendi eno Uganda banga California. Kankulire akusinga wena nonya yambula. All in a energy, we want so I know to rotate, baby. No fire can cool without you. All in a body perfume and so full. Mosau karibu kwangu. Nikupe mapenzi yote darling. Yekwe sana. Delicious tomato soup, baby. Unawe wakwata. Awamponza. Anyway, I need to go and chill with my friend. It's been so nice. Thank you for your time, guys. I don't know. Thank you for loving my music, for always supporting, for always requesting. And yeah, for always requesting. And always defending my name out there. Manuel nina never fan nga yantera wo mubiri. Nga chimanyi Winnie teyakikoze. Nabomba ina abo Mama Africa ekyo nakyo kitegeere. Yeah, no yo blogger wo naye fan kuba naye yali aneewubako wano mbu ayagala selfie. Agamba sigenda kulabikira mu kifaananyi n'oyo. Anyway guys, I gotta go. Kayimba kikemba mbakubiramu nga ngenda. Oli kirabo kapela. Gwe mwami wange katonda gwe yantondera. Oli kirabo, oli matiribo n'ebibala by'essaala zange. Oli kirabo, n'omalondeka. Can't come out. Baby kubamu embeera. Okay, webali kujja. She's coming to USA in September. Yeah, baby. If all you artists had your confidence singer truly wala. I know, right? Bambi. I'm just aga guy can't see the kati nga we never dingambi can't see the kene kati toli na genda na kola chi. Ngamba kamba nyumizeko. Winnie. So conceivable ko bambi. Bye. Cholida. Guys, thank you for your time. I've got to go. Kaimba joba kaimba kenyinzo baimbira my favorite song. Ganga sikange. Any other artist international?
Dexter.
You girl, you want me to sing those words? Baimbira mkaimba chiwamba. Aka artist who are my favorites. Your favorite artist. Just one song. Mubiri gwo gunkuba. That's kunyama. Baby, sing everything. I read your body like a novel. I eat you all like I want sugar. And for you, I perform the whole show. Yeah, like I want sugar. And tell me what you want to bring for ya. And I can't forget the whole sugar. See, I can never leave you, love. Good deal. Ngamba Wi-Fi Dexter njamu kuyimbira mu voice note bana boy song abla Ryan ndeka Ryan, leave me alone. Bana ngoli mulungi Laila. Thank you. Nesuneko tuyimbire Wandi Sachi Rema. Buza wandi sachi, wanywe sachi, wantege sabutega chikwe. Mazima wandi sachi, wanywe sachi, abalala bebatalaba. That's enough. Enyimba z'omukwano zinyiza. See? What? I forgot the words, guys. Msasire kubanga muli kuntwala speed. Enyimba z'omukwano zinyiza. Ziwana nyabagalana. Newe badala zinonya. Azawi. Imba choro Azawi. Imba imbida. Which one? Olina ebintu byokola mulavu newooma. Okubanya nsanyusa nhulira ng'enyoka. Engeri gye wankuba mutima nabiwandika ku manila. Ku pepa ya manila. Engeri gye wankuba mutima. You're fire, oh. Boy, you're fire, oh. Banai, mundeke Unanyimbisa album z'abantu nezimalayo, but oh my God. Don't forget to turn up for Azawi on the 22nd. On the 22nd of this July. Actually, is that next week? Next week. It will be a Wednesday, right? Check. Let me see. It's okay to. It's
Friday.
allowed to check.
Friday.
Oh, sorry, guys.
22nd.
22nd. Yeah, it's a Friday. It's over here. It's a Friday, 22nd July. Don't forget to turn up for Azawi Fete. Tukenda kubera batukuba muziki. Mwebana abanyumiza. Yeah. African music to the world. Azawi. Hey. Mugenda kutya. Jolly namaze okayimba. Chikano na dance. Ulane banaye msonyiwe. I'm sorry, I was saying goodbye. I've got to go even if I don't want to go. Yeah. Mpuli anjagala bayimbiramu. Kayimba chikemba nkuyimbiramu kale. I've done Jolly already. Huh?
Oh no. Yours. You like to burn down.
Kufiringa nnyo tobigana. Tosobola na kutebereza ngibange kukagumanja. Nkwagala nnyo tobigana. Tosobola kuimagininga nti gundi yangu zayo namba. But I look out for Calvin Chambers. Mwana wa kukalo oyo twakula naye. Look out for him. He's got good music. That's a song he did with Wakibenda. Nkufiringa. Calvin Chambers. Wakibenda. Never nange mbabuzi zako. Yes, kona tugende mu maaso. Kona tugende mu maaso. Nazaliwa kukwagala, dianjagala ontekene mu matala. I was born to love you, ntekako matala. Nazaliwa kukwagala, ntekako matala. I was born to love you, ntekako matala. Zenalinga ngoye, zinezambara okale. Ne waita wakasera ngazigubye nebaze yambula era nze nalinga makubo ganagayitwa mobwitwa ne kalitanda neriziba teba yalinyayo yadde kigere bine bya lavu nabiduka ngera nze byatama bwena omutima mu biseera biri kale bagumya bino byenzunga okali yena sango mwane yakula yanziza ya mulavu eri ono mukanze muzudde kale. So guys, yeah, ndoza kyekyo bannange mbasiibula kambasiibule kati nga ndi serious kubanga okusibula kunnemye, but yeah, that's all. I just wanted to talk about that and magambe ku facts nga tebanna balimba eyo sirina kyenyinza balimba. Yeah, I did my job, Mama Africa. Try someone else, not me. Not me, fire baby. Not the girl them fire baby. Okay, bye. I love you guys. How do I end this? I love you guys.